When I came to USU Eastern, I was contemplating pursuing a career in the healthcare field. It was actually a surprise to me how much of a benefit it was to be down here to do my undergrad and pursue a career in medicine. I got experiences working in clinical settings that I never would have got up in Salt Lake without training. So I took the MCAT in June and I'm applying to medical school this year, and I always thought being in a smaller town I'd be limited on, like shadowing opportunities, clinical experiences, research, being able to talk to professors and like classes, but it was actually the opposite.
Because we're in a smaller place and we do have a hospital and we do have a lot of resources in our community, there aren't a lot of other students competing. So our students here can really be leaders.
Because of the small class sizes, the closeness and the relationship you're able to build with the professors is unlike anything else. They'll be able to help you personally. There's no doors that will be shut to you if you come to USU Eastern.